Cybersecurity is super important in today's digital world for several reasons. For example, if we want to protect our stuff, we are all over the internet 24/7 sharing tons of professional personal information, addresses, phone numbers, bank details. To keep that stuff safe from sneaky hackers, we need good cybersecurity. Two is stopping hackers. Cyber attacks are more sophisticated and happening more often. Hackers are after data, money, and sometimes just to mess things up. Good cybersecurity helps keep them out. Three is following the rules. Government make rules about how companies handle our data. Good cybersecurity means following those rules and avoiding trouble. Fourth is protecting critical infrastructure. Imagine if a hacker messed with things like power grids or hospitals that could cause chaos. Cybersecurity helps keep those systems safe. 5 is protecting intellectual property. Businesses have cool ideas and they want to protect those innovative ideas. Cyber attackers may steal those ideas and ruin the entire project. Cybersecurity again helps keep those secrets safe. 6 is avoiding money problems. Getting hacked can cost lots of money, from stolen cash to fixing everything afterwards. So cybersecurity can help in avoiding those costly headaches. So in short, cybersecurity is all about keeping our data safe, stopping hackers, earning trust, following rules, protecting important systems, saving ideas, and avoiding money-related troubles in our digital world. So it's like having a superhero for our online lives.